Hi everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I am your local realtor and credit repair specialist. And today I want to talk about some steps you can start taking to get yourself or your family ready to purchase a home. So whether it is your first home you are purchasing, your second, your third, this is not something you do on a daily basis. So I want to prep you on some things that you can start doing to get you ready for when you are ready to purchase a home. So first things first is credit score. Of course, you knew I was going to say that. That's what I focus on a lot. So credit score is big. You must have a minimum score of a 620 today. That is a little different case because of Corona, but if you're looking to purchase in the next 3 months to a year, a 620 is really where the minimum scores are. So if you are not at a 620, give me a call. Let's talk about some things that we can do to improve your score or go through my credit repair program. If you are at a 620, let's focus on some things that you can do to help improve it. You really want to be around a 700 to get the best credit scores. So credit is huge. Start working on that. That's a big thing that you can work on 6 months ahead of time, a year ahead of time to really get that score where it needs to be to get you the best interest rate. And why interest rates are so important, I'll probably go over that in another video. But the key thing to remember is this interest rate is yours locked for 30 years. So you really want to know that you're getting the best interest rate. Second thing to focus on before you move is area. Where do you want to live? Is it dependent on a school district? Is there a specific neighborhood that you like? Is there an area of town that you like? What I really like to tell my clients is if you're looking in a school district or a specific neighborhood that you like, go around 8:30 or 9 o'clock and drive the neighborhood at night and see what it feels like. So there are some neighborhoods where during the day it's a beautiful neighborhood, and at night it gets really congested because people are home from work and there's 3-4 cars to a home. It doesn't make it a bad neighborhood, right? But you want to make sure that you feel comfortable in that neighborhood at night as well. So that's a good tip to kind of focus on a neighborhood and see if it's the one you like. If it's a specific school district, let's narrow down the different neighborhoods that feed into a specific elementary or middle school or high school. So those are some good things to start thinking about for area, neighborhood, place to live. So the next thing is what I like to call your must-have and compromise list. So I want you to start thinking about some things that you must have in your home. You cannot live without whatever that item is. And then some items where, that'd be nice, but it's not going to make or break the home. So for example, when Steve and I were looking for a home, our must-have was 2 living rooms. And the reason for that is we have kids, and I specifically have a 12-year-old who likes to scream at a computer screen while he's playing Fortnite. So we needed to have 2 separate living rooms so he could play his games uninterrupted and we could possibly watch TV or a movie and hang out with friends and not be interrupted as well. So that was a must-have. We could not compromise on that. A compromise was a 4th bedroom. We would like a 4th bedroom, but it wasn't a deal breaker if we couldn't get the 4th bedroom in our budget. 3 bedrooms works fine. So that's what I mean by making that list, just kind of having an idea, but I want you to keep an open mind and just make a broad list, because when you start looking at homes and walking through homes, you might learn there's a few more must-haves and a few more things that you could live without. So keep an open mind, but that's a good way to start narrowing down. It would really help your realtor at the beginning of your search to kind of know what you should and shouldn't look for in a home. And the last thing is timing. If you're thinking, I want to move in a year, I want you to narrow down what time of year works best for you. In the San Antonio market, the summer and spring are the hottest real estate period. So there are a lot of buyers on the market looking for a home. In fall, in winter, it's a little slower. It's not as competitive. So you just got to kind of see what falls in. Are you looking because kids are out of school, it's the best time to move? Or could you wait till December? What works best for you and your family? And narrowing down that timing will really help see when we need to get you approved, when we start the searches to be able to get you into a home. So those are the 4 things that I would really stress on starting to get ready when you're looking to purchase a home. If you have any questions about anything you heard today, please feel free to comment below or give me a call, email me, check my Facebook page out, and don't forget to like my channel and subscribe. So thanks guys, have a great day.